Hi guys, this is Dara from Global Gentle Movers here. Today we're gonna show you how you can properly pack your kitchen if you are doing it by yourself. Of course, we have a team of professional packers who can help you with that. But anyways, it is very important because kitchen has a lot of fragile tableware, so make sure you watch this video before packing. And don't forget to subscribe for more moving tips. Of all of the rooms in the house or apartment, kitchen is usually the most difficult to pack. In addition to this, most of the items are fragile and require additional packing materials and techniques to be moved safely. The first thing you need to do is organizing the workstation for packing. You will need heavy-duty boxes of small or medium sizes, some packing paper, tape, and Sharpie or other markers. Also, don't forget to set aside a couple of essential kitchen items that you can easily access right before or after the move. You can use a medium-sized box for pots and pans and the small-sized box for glassware because it is heavier. For glassware, the first thing we want to start with is plates. Wrap each individual plate into the packing paper sheet and stack them on the bottom of the box. The smaller plates and bowls will go on top of the larger plates, also wrapped into packing paper. Next, we're gonna pack the glasses and cups. Wrap every individual piece into the packing paper and make sure you allow enough paper to cover the cup handles. For wine glasses and goblets, you can use 2 sheets of paper if one doesn't cover everything. Use medium box to pack pots and pans and other utensils. Wrap the lids separately for extra protection. In case there are any empty spots left in the box, simply fill them with additional layer of packing paper to prevent movements. Tape the box from both sides, leaving about 3 to 5 inches of tape down on the box, and don't forget to label it with a fragile sign for extra caution. Follow our channel for more moving tips.